friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zoe and today is a different kind of day, okay? I'm not doing my makeup. I'm putting the trust of my face and the trust of my beat. That's a lot of trust. In my sister, okay? So the backstory, let's just give you a little bit of backstory. So she used to do my makeup when I was like 16, yeah, like 16, 17. She'll come on, she's not just a voice in the background, you'll see her face. But, yeah. Why did you do your makeup?
Because I wanted to take pictures today.
Okay, anyways. But yeah, so she used to do my makeup from like 16 to like 18, and then, no, 16 to like 17. Then when I was like 18, she cut me off and she was like, no, you have to do your, you were like, you have to do your own makeup. So then I had to do my own makeup. So then I had to do my own makeup, and then that's what I've been doing ever since. She don't really touch my face. She hasn't really like experimented with makeup on my face since then. So we're coming back. Not as hard as before, but she's coming back and she's just gonna do like a little look on me that I saw on her, and I was like, you better do this on me. So then that's what's happening today, all right? But before we get into it and before we start any of the process, just subscribe. Subscribe, join the family, join the club, join the crew, join the gang, join the good way gang, and we can get this going, okay? So let's get started. So guys, this is Rebecca. She does not have a YouTube, but she does have an Instagram, which I'll put to here,
Somewhere.
here.
And you mean I'll put here?
Whatever. Or we'll put it there. And don't compare what we look like right now, because I look like an egg and she looks hella beat, so just don't do that. But she's gonna be doing my makeup right now. Beat my face.
I'm scared. I don't think I'm gonna beat it. Okay, I think I'll start with this eye because it's further away.
Okay. What is that? Oh.
The P. Louise. The P. Louise.
Why are you using that brush?
I like using a dense brush for the...
It's the brush that I put my highlighter on with.
Well, you got so many other highlighting brushes. Oh, this is fun.
You just started.
So?
See? She also used to do my hair. She used to do my hair, and then I moved to Canada, so then I had to do it by myself. And I'm back, and she refuses to do it.
Yeah, you don't have to do that.
I don't like braiding hair. I hate it. It's so annoying. Listen, guys, if you see what's under my wig right now, it's a testament that I hate braiding hair. Ow!
Oh, did I hit you? Yeah, this is why I don't know if it's going to be anyway. I think I'll be surprised.
Don't ask her to do any of your booking jobs, because she'll rough up your eye. I'll update guys on my crusty eye.
Eye cream.
I found an eye cream that's actually working. It is the La Roche-Posay hyaluronic acid eye cream. I'll link it somewhere or down below.
Or Rebecca will link it.
I will link it. I do. Stop trying it, because I do all the information.
Oh, I'm gonna use this palette. This is the Morphe 39A.
Morphe 39A palette. Dare to create.
The best palette. It's really good. Really good.
Gonna go in with Muse, which is black.
It's a blacky black. It's a creamy black though. I don't know if you saw it, but it's creamy
Black.
It's creamier than the other palettes from Morphe, so I'm confused. That's why I stopped doing your makeup, because you kept peeking every single time I do something. You would peek, and I'm like, close your eyes.
I was so tempted to get a mirror.
every time. See? I saw you. I saw you. You were so quick.
I'm surprised.
You'll be surprised.
She's falling asleep. I'm gonna take a nap.
What?
Do my eyes.
Just asking the question. Why are you daggering me with your eyes? Hey, like it's a bar.
I don't understand why it extends to my hairline.
Ew, did you lick my hand?
No, it was my lip. Why does everyone think that I'm licking a hand? Maria did the same thing. And I was like, no, it's just my lip and it's just very well Vaseline. Like. That doesn't feel like a lick. It's not that wet. Now she's using glitter.
By MAC.
Loose glitter by MAC, it's called.
This is 3D black. It's like a shimmery holographic.
Shimmer shine. Shimmer shine.
Ew! Yuck.
Put it out and in. I say, hey Fiona.
I didn't realize what you said, you idiot.
Hi friends, so we're back. And my eyes are done. I'm here looking
I
like...
messed up a little.
She messed up. She tried to bring this all the way up here.
I did.
I was confused. I was confused.
Why are you exaggerating?
Because now she's just going to clean it up, do my foundation and my base, and then we're going to be cute, I guess. You didn't even prime my face.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, this is the first time in a long time that I've tried a smoky eye. I just feel like smoky eye just didn't ever really go with my eye shape, so I just didn't
But then you
try.
have to figure out a way to make it work.
Yeah, I know, but I just didn't want to because I was just like.
Oh, I'm using the Revolution.
So using the Revolution Mattify Primer to prim the eye. Can you not rub out my eyebrow? Thank you very much.
I will not do that.
Ouch. Ouch. This is why I stopped using her services. Every so often she just beat me. She'll flick my face. How rude is that? Don't book her. Doesn't it?
It feels so nice.
It doesn't. It's so good. It's so nice. Are you done caressing him?
Shut up. Not done.
She needs to be fired. If an ad ever comes up for her, throw it in the bin. What? The eye look?
Yeah. It did on me. Mommy. Stop it. Stop it. I could just go like this.
Can you imagine? Guys, next time you're in a fight, okay, if you're a girl and you're fighting someone else who's a girl and wears makeup, or actually, if you're fighting anyone who wears makeup, that's all you need to do. Get some water and just go.
If you have wipes in your bag, get the wipes, go.
Fight, done, finished, period.
I'm gonna use Conceal.
Press, keep going.
Oh my god. I got a tiny hole.
Yeah, I don't know how to get it. Get the hole to be bigger. If anything, this helps me to save my foundation. Talk to me about budgeting.
Oh, budgeting your foundation.
Rationing it.
Oh my god.
It did it for me, I didn't ask.
Your hairs. Can I cut them?
Can I cut you?
No.
Then.
Oh.
Because this one's a bit brighter than this one. And it always like something a bit more bright. I don't put it there.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I just started doing it recently. I kind of like it.
You know my nose is longer than yours.
Cut the tape. Cut the camera. Look, do this no more. You're going out like this. I mean, by like maybe 1 centimeter.
Eh?
My nose is not that short.
Guys, come here.
No, okay, wait a minute.
When you see her nose, look at her nose and then look at mine.
Short.
And she does makeup the way that she does it, yeah? But this is because...
I'll stuff this up your nostril.
Oh, I see why people use a brush like this. I understand.
I understand.
I get it. I might be digging it, even. I might like it myself. Maybe I might do it.
What, do you start using a brush?
The actual thing looks like a rising sun upon my forehead. Like...
Can you wait? Shut up. Can you just chop the process a little bit? Have a little faith in me.
I didn't say I don't have faith, I'm just saying what it looks like.
It does though. It did.
I look snatched. First I'm snatching on a burn, I'm snatching on a... Oh, here, now.
One of these and some of these.
Not sure. No.
What?
Are you?
Yes. Oh, for sure.
We can go back to my old ways.
Don't.
You said if I can see stuff. I want to see if I can see stuff. Maybe. I mean, maybe.
Maybe.
I mean, it's potential.
Are you just trying to be rude?
No, I'm just like, maybe. Let me see what it looks like. Oh. I don't know.
I can see it. I don't know what's on you. What was on this brush before?
I don't know. Nothing? I haven't used that brush in a while.
Can you not see it warming you a little bit?
Oh, a little bit. Do you not contour your nose?
No, I just put a little bit of this on. Get some warmth.
Looks like I've got a cold.
A tiny bit of brush.
genuinely look like someone threw up on me.
Hey.
Someone threw up some Disney, some Snow White on me. Emily, what are you typing?
The type.
Yeah. Ooh, Candy Crush. Then we're going in with my Old Faithful. And this is remember the Hills Glow Kit. Glow Kit. It's called That Glow. I have not used this in a minute, and this was my first ever highlighter by a high-end makeup brand. To be honest, my first ever highlighter ever, because I didn't used to use highlighter. My whole life has changed since you came in. I knew back then. Word at dope. Word at dope.
Why are you talking? First of all.
So I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back with lashes. They're gonna be in your face. I might come back with lip gloss, but I'll let you know which one. But I'll see you in a jiff. All right? Okay, bye. Hi guys, and I'm back. This is the finished look. I am the friggin' three-eyed raven. Hear my wings flap. Okay, now let's talk about this look. Let's deconstruct this look. Okay, it's cute. That's all I have to say, and that's all it is. Now,
thank you.
Rebecca worked very, very hard, as you saw.
I did.
Come into the camera. She worked very, very hard on this look. So I appreciate that she came out cute. It's been a long time since she's done my makeup, as I said in the beginning, and she snapped. She snapped. If you want to go follow her, check out her Instagram, and I'll put it down below. And make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, share, do all of that. I don't know what kind of character you are in Game of Thrones. I feel like you're like one of the dragons or something.
I have to be.
Well, she's one of the dragons, and I'm
look at my
Bran.
horns, like, come on.
And I'm Bran, so
You saw me coming.
peace out.